Hello everyone, my name is Arin and welcome back to Inside Out. Today I'm here with my dog Cooper and we're going to do a video about the Falcon Heavy. So let's get started. Today we're going to talk about the Falcon Heavy. So we always start with the fun facts. So about fun fact 1. The Falcon Heavy is the most powerful operational rocket in the world by a factor of 2. It can lift 141,000 lb. Do you even know how heavy that is? For example, do you know how heavy a plane is? That is a mass greater than 737 jetliner loaded with passengers, crew, luggage, and fuel. That is like a lot. It's very heavy. Now, next slide. Fun fact 2. The Falcon Heavy's first stage is made up of 3 Falcon 9 engine cores. These 27 Merlin engines generate more than 5.13 million pounds of thrust at liftoff. This is equal to approximately 18,474 aircrafts. That is let's see. You know, like when they lift off and you see all those fire come at the bottom? That is made out of 3 Falcon 9 core engines, and they generate more than 5.13 million pounds of thrust at liftoff, which is like a lot. And next slide, fun fact 3. Each of Falcon Heavy's side boosters is equivalent to the first stage of a Falcon 9 rocket with 9 Merlin engines. At liftoff, the boosters and the center core all operate at full thrust. Shortly after liftoff, the center core engines are throttled down after the side cores separate. The center core engines throttle back up. So when they lift off, all of their boosters go all at once, so it can lift the rocket out of through Earth's orbit, and then they take off the first stage. I'll talk about the first stage and second stage a bit later. Now, since we're done all the fun facts, let's now go to the SpaceX website. The Falcon Heavy, the world's most powerful rocket. It has a total of 3 launches, 7 total landings, and 4 reform rockets. So as you can see here, this is the Falcon Heavy overview. The height is 70 meters, which is like 229.6 feet. Width is 12.2 meters. The mass, that means like how heavy it is. You'll be a bit surprised with this. So this is how much it weighs. 1,420,788 kg. That is like heavier than your house. It's like very heavy. Payload to LEO is 63,800 kg. Payload to GTO is 26,700 kg. And payload to Mars is 16,800 kg. So now, let's talk about the parts of the Falcon Heavy. So first, I said we're going to talk about the first stage. The cores make up the first stage of the Falcon Heavy. The side cores or boosters are connected to the nose cone. The interstage on the octaweb, and if you don't know what does interstage mean, we'll talk about it shortly. Shortly after liftoff, the center core engines are throttled down. After the side cores separate, the center core engines throttle back up to full thrust. So it kind of like switches. So first they all come, and then the outside ones go, and then they detach, and then the middle one takes the rocket out where it needs to go. Now, we're going to talk about the interstage. The interstage is a composite structure that connects the center core on the first stage and second stages and holds the release and separation system. The grid fins. The grid fins, if it's C, these are the grid fins. They basically help steer the boosters back down. Falcon Heavy is equipped with 12 hypersonic grid fins, 4 on each booster, positioned at the base of the interstage or nose cone, which orientates by moving the center of the pressure during re-entry. Now, we're going to talk about the second stage. So here, you can see, this is the one that I was talking about at the second stage. This is the middle one that takes the rocket wherever it needs to go. And inside here is the payload. Payload means whatever it's taking. The second stage. The Falcon Heavy draws up Falcon 9's proven design, which minimizes stage separation events and maximizes reliability. The second stage Merlin vacuum engine delivers the rocket's payload to orbit after the main engine cut off and the first stage cores separate. The number of engines the second stage has is 1, as you can see. The burn time, when it comes down, the burn time is 397 seconds. The thrust is 981 kN. Now, I think we have one more. Yeah, the payload. Oh wait, no. No, I just went all the way to start. Here. The payload. Made of a carbon composite material, the fairing protects satellites on their way to orbit. SpaceX is recovering fairing for reuse on the future missions. So what fairing means is, do you see these two? This side and this side? Whatever is in here, as you can see here, there's an opening here. So this detaches, and whatever's inside it could be satellite, like a Tesla that they can send to space, a Tesla. Whatever is inside that they're bringing onto the rocket, they go here. And then it separates. Fairiness is the things that cover it. And then they fall off and then they detach it from the rocket. If you scroll down, you have a short little video to watch. And this is a picture of the Falcon Heavy. Thank you for watching my slides. And if you liked it, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel down below. Inside Out? Oh wait, before I go, I wanted to tell you that in my next video, I'll probably be playing a guitar video, so please stay tuned. Inside Out, signing off.